Finding the right image to go with your social media post can be a huge pain. Luckily, Canva has come out with some AI tools to make generating an image for your social media post way easier. We're going to talk about that and check it out here today. So here I am logged into my Canva account, and over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see this little button for apps. So I'm going to click on apps, and here's where you can access the AI tools for generating social media post images in Canva. So I'm just going to go right over here, left, it's text to image. And basically what this tool lets me do is describe the image that I want. So you can see their example is a panda surfing a wave, and I can even pick the style, which I'm going to show you today. And then it's going to generate it in the format I need for a social media post, which is really cool. So I'm just going to click here on use a new design. And when I do that, it's going to ask me to scroll through the types. So I can do a Facebook post, Facebook cover photo, Instagram post, logo, Instagram story. It's going to format it automatically. So just for simplicity, I'm just going to click on this Instagram post. So it's just going to give me a little square here. And now all I do is type right in here a description of what I want to see. And then I can pick the styles over here that I want to see it in. So let me show you a few different examples. So let's just say you have like some sort of pet related business, if you're a dog walker or you own a pet supply store or you're a pet groomer and you want to do a social media post and you need a picture of a dog. So let's just do like something fun, dogs playing on the beach. So I'm just going to search that. And you can see it's generating ideas for me, or generating images for me. And now the AI is actually just literally coming up with these images, and it's formatting them in the format that I asked for. So you can see I can just pull this image right over here, and boom, there I go. I've got an image all set to go with my social media post. If it was related to the beach or summer, or maybe I'm doing a post about 7 tips for taking your dog to the beach and I need an image for it, boom, there I go. I've got literally almost the perfect image. And then if I didn't like that one, I can maybe try this one, which is really cool. It's got more of a Caribbean feel to it, right? So that's super cool. Now one of the things that I really like about this as well is you can go over here to the style section and you can find something that's really unique or stands out. So let's just see some of the options. You can do playful, psychedelic, 3D model, and all of these are really, really cool. So let's just go with something neat here. Let's just go with something really fun. Let's go with psychedelic. And now I'm going to do create again. And now it's going to give me dogs playing on the beach in a psychedelic style, which is really, really fascinating. So now you can see if I'm just trying to come up with something super eye-catching, look at this image that AI created for me in Canva that I can now, and again, if you're not familiar with this, you just click on share and you go over here to download and you just download the file format you need. But now I've got this really cool image that was just created by AI that I can use in my social media post, right? So, and this is all set for an Instagram or Facebook post, again, with a link or whatever I want it to go with. And you can just play around with this and it's a lot of fun. So you can go over here, let's go to share, and you can do something like concept art, or this looks really cool. I kind of want to see this vibrant, see what this generates for me. So I'm going to do this vibrant version, and excited, although I really like this image, like almost looks like artwork. So then these vibrant ones are super cool as well. So you can see kind of took it and it actually like kind of highlights, ooh, this dog one here is really cool. So it kind of like has an artistic feel to it. And you can see kind of vibrant with the way that the fur is on the dog. So it's super cool. And then again, if you get like me and you start playing around with all these and you're like, okay, I need to get back to reality, I'm just looking for a photo, you can just go right back here to photo, and then we can go dogs playing on the beach again. And I'm getting rid of all of that extra, kind of excess styling that I was just doing. And now here we go. It's just going to look more like a photo. So it's generating a few options for me. And now these are photos. Oh, look at that with the mountain in the background. That's really cool. So you've got that. This one here, I really like this this mountain in the background. That's super cool. So now it's more photo realistic too, right? So, and then if you want to use this in all sorts of ways, I'll just show you one more example. For whatever business that you are trying to showcase, let's just say a house with a beautiful front lawn. So again, all types of business can use this. I know I'm using the dog one, but let's just say that you're a landscaper or a lawn care provider. Again, you just need something really nice to go with your social post. Now you can see look at this photo that was just generated, house with a really beautiful lawn. Again, I did the photo style. I could do none and start that over, and it'll move away from that photo style, and you can just play around with these different things until you get it to the place where you like it, right? So maybe this one, and then you can describe the type of house too, so you can go as far as you want with this. So let's just say, you know, instead of just saying house, let's just say large mansion. So as much or as more description that you give it, the more you can clarify what the image you want it to come up with looks like. And then again, here you can see, now here are large mansions with a beautiful front lawn, right? So that is basically how you do this in Canva. So that's how you can use Canva and AI to generate social media post images. It's a really, really great, effective tool to basically just kind of, you know, think of your social media post, write up the copy or the link to where you want it to go, and then jump into Canva to quickly and easily generate a really nice image. So there you go. Best of luck to you. Hit subscribe and hit like on this video and leave a comment. Let us know what type of images you're coming up with and how it's working for you on social media.